Good morning. We're gonna try and see as much of Cinque Terre as we possibly can today. This place is absolutely better than the photos. Good morning today from SPEZIA. Good morning from just outside of Cinque Terre. We're gonna try today, because we have to return our rental car by no later than 59 minutes after 2:36 p.m. We're gonna try and see as much of Cinque Terre as we possibly can today, and then race back to Florence, and then race back to Germany. Woo! I guess the train schedule was a little bit unclear, so we have roughly half an hour now after that rousing morning wake up.
We have like 40 minutes now.
Wow, 40 minutes. Coffee! Woo!
In the bottle or fresh?
Fresh one, please.
Okay.
We're going to my dream destination.
Now we're having mimosas at 6 o'clock in the morning before our trip.
Okay.
Cheers. Oh, that's nice.
Freshly.
So we're on the train now, and
Excited! At least we are getting here before like the crowds, because this is a very popular place to visit.
all right, we're here for sunrise in Cinque Terre, and guess what? Sunrise makes very little sense here. The place is surrounded by a lot of hills that basically make it so that you don't get those beautiful sunrise rays. It's going to be more of a sunset destination, of course.
First stop of our Cinque Terre tour is Riomaggiore. Took the train from La Spezia to get here. Is like maybe 10-minute journey, and you pay €4 for a ticket per stop, or you can get a day pass, which is 16, which allows you to travel as much as you want in between those 5 villages. And another option is to take the boat, but we don't really have time for this right now, so
There's also no boat people awake.
Yeah.
Boat captains.
kind of early.
Yeah, we've seen basically no one. Still like 7:45 now maybe,
Yeah.
so super early. So if you're coming and you come early, it'd be good to come if you want to just experience it with no one here.
Yeah.
But you'll also not really have anything open during your experience.
No, and the light isn't the best right now for pictures, but it's just amazing to see this place. I've been wanting to come here for such a long time, and we're finally here, and definitely doesn't disappoint. The views are amazing.
Yes. So we're on the train now to the next town, which is called
Manarola.
Manarola, maybe. Manarola. It's only 2 minutes away, so we're pretty much already here. Wow, the ocean from the train is insane. We are still on our express tour of Cinque Terre, right now in Manarola, and it does not disappoint. This place is absolutely better than the photos, super stunning. We're having a really good time, and it's actually not as rushed as we thought it would be.
Yeah, this place is like a postcard.
It literally is the definition of postcard and picture perfect. I'm so happy that you're getting your dream today.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll probably have some time to have some lunch here on the beach before we head back to Florence, or first to SPEZIA?
La Spezia.
La Spezia.
To pick up the car by the train station. Curious how expensive that's gonna be.
train again. Oh boy, here he comes. All right, so we got 2 stops now to the next town, which is Vernazza. We are definitely skipping one just due to lack of time. So it's about 9:30 now, and there's definitely now, as you can see, a lot more people here. Almost 10 actually. So things are getting much busier. The train just dumped out practically the entire train onto here. That's where we're at.
That's all?
That's all.
3 euros. Hanging out with him is not good for the diet. Always comes up with this good food. Yeah, it's nice.
Alright, so got my favorite focaccia square pizza. The bread with like the bubbles. This one has tomato, bacon, mozzarella, and looks like some herbs and spices. It's so tasty. The focaccia is perfect, the cheese is perfect, the bacon is so fatty and good, and the tomatoes are so sweet and strong, so good. All good things must come to an end, right? No. All good things must come to an end. This is probably our last meal here in Cinque Terre, and one of our last meals on our last day here in Italy. What is this place? Is this real? It just looks amazing. Unfortunately, we can't really enjoy it, but we'll be right back, I'm sure. Wow, amazing. If you're watching this, subscribe and cheers. We just made it by literally 10 seconds. We're on the train to begin the journey back. It is possible to give a quick impression in one day, but I wouldn't necessarily suggest it. I'd say at least 24 hours would be good. Yeah. At least 24 hours.
So this is from Tuscany? From here? Yeah, okay.
Chianti, ma
Chianti?
vediamo se c'è.
Ah, okay. Cheers. Cheers.
This is from the town we didn't manage to visit. It's only 10 euros.
Yeah.
Full bottle.
In
so
the
good.
city center of Florence.
So good. That about does it for this vlog, because it's just getting really blurry right now. But please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of our adventures all around Europe and beyond.
We still don't know yet.
We still don't really know what we're doing, but we know it will be really good.
Well